Anthony here, and I'm a baby boomer. And so many things have changed over the years. And one of the things that I've noticed that has really changed is how people shop. Some people only shop online now. And why is that? It used to be so nice to go to the store, look at the products, pick them up, feel them, read them. But people prefer to shop online. I know one reason why: there's a much wider selection. You don't have some storekeeper or gatekeeper picking and choosing which items can be for sale in their store. Because you see, they only carry maybe one or two. But online, you can find thousands of products, and you get to choose the one you want, not the one that the store tells you to want. So take a product like a sugar replacement, BochaSweet, which I find to be the absolute best sugar replacement on the planet. You can't find anything better. It tastes like sugar. It's healthier than any of the others. And it's made from a cultivated, organically grown crop, the kabocha pumpkin, where the others are made from a piece of wood or corn cob or maybe some other waste material, and they don't even tell you what it is. And there's plenty of reviews. Over an 82% 5-star record. These are real reviews by real people. So when you see a product with the reviews that BochaSweet has, you owe it to yourself to give it a try, especially if you're on keto, if you're looking to lose weight, if you have insulin resistance problems, or, like me, you have diabetes. And that's why I prefer BochaSweet.
For all the foods that you love, you can no longer eat. You can love them again with BochaSweet, with BochaSweet.